Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're a part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is $3.99. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button. Over here, I do a hybrid digital and cash stuffing budgeting channel. If any of that resonates with you or piques your interest, definitely hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button and make sure your notification bells are turned on. Bell is only one of them. So today's video, we're actually going to be doing my YouTube mind map. I've really been into mind mapping things out, you guys, because I want to make sure things that I'm planning to do are actually things I want to do, first of all, things that I'm actually able to do and I have time for. So I mind map things out, and then I will be figuring out, once I get my goals all the way mind map out, then I'll figure out timing and put it in like an hourly schedule to make sure I actually have time for what I want to do. So as much as I had my yearly goals already, and I broke them down into 3 quarterly goals, which 3 or 4 is manageable to me, I do think I need to add decluttering into those top 3 somewhere, but it'll probably be a part of like the AM or PM routine. So here we go, back into the book. I started making my own from Happy Planner paper. Y'all don't laugh at me. I'm telling y'all, it's the year of being sort of more creative. Here we have our mind mapping out for the YouTube channels. Let me push us in some so we can all see. Hopefully, I'll read it out to you just in case. So I have a sticker here that says the only limit is your mind. Of course, everything starts with mindset. If you don't think you can do it, if you don't believe that you can do it, then you can't do it. You just can't, because you don't actually believe that you can do it. And y'all know I love my stickers. Love my stickers, and I love this sticker book. So y'all were going to see these stickers everywhere in this book because they make me happy. So YouTube channels, I have 2 of them. If you're unaware, I have Journey to Wisdom and Wealth, and I have Tara Gay Nicole, Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. You already hear, you already know this is the budgeting, anything to save money, things like that, low by year vibes. Tara Gay Nicole is more of my lifestyle, planning type thing over there. All of this pertains to both of them. So let's start at the top. I would like to post 2 to 3 times a week for Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. That would be my goal, 2 to 3 videos per week. I will be making a schedule in order to, like a monthly schedule, in order to make sure that I'm hitting that goal. I'm going to keep working on my thumbnails. I think I got much better this year with them, but I want to keep making them better. I want to add shorts, even if it's just one or 2 per week. I would like to start adding shorts. I hear they're good for you, and I just want to do like fun ones. We'll see how they go, or informative ones. Just, we'll see. And added budget tracker planning. So you guys know that I have a budget section. Yes, there's a low buy section planning here where there'll be budget tracking for the low buy. So that is going to be a part of, that's going to be added to the channel over here. I also really want to get Skillshare. So I'm either going to save for it or pay for it out of my December 3 paycheck. My goal for this year in income wise for this channel is $1,200. I really, really, really hope to do that. And I'm trying to be as realistic as possible, because if I can make $100, which is the threshold to get paid every month, that would be $1,200 for the year. I don't know what my growth will be like. It took me almost 2 years to get to 1,000. So I'm not going to push it, but you know, God is in control. So my goal is $1,200. I want to create a new email for my channel. I'm thinking JTWW@gmail, something like that, like Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. Not 100%, but I find like when I want people to hit me up, or any companies that want to reach out, trying to think ahead, I want to be able to see them. Right now, my email that's in the box is always full. Another thing I need to declutter. But I want to create a specific one for the channel, and I'm going to use that Journey to Wisdom and Wealth one for both channels. I also want to save for a P.O. box. Trying to think forward, as in like there will be opportunities and things would like to be sent to me, and sponsorships, praying for those. So we're going to save for a P.O. box. Small beginnings, y'all, small beginnings. Never despite the small beginning. Do not despise these small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin. It's because that's where everybody starts. So start getting yourself prepared for bigger things, and bigger things will come, right? And last but not least at the top is do a collab or a joint live. I would like to do a collab. I feel like they're less done, or maybe I haven't done one, or I'm never invited. I don't know. I'm going to reach out to do a collab with someone, another channel that I like, or a few other channels that I really like. Or if any of y'all want to do a collab, let me know down in the comments. Or I'd like to do a joint live. I think that would be really nice. Now they have the joint live feature, and I really want to do that. So I want to come up with a topic to talk about and then have a joint live with somebody else. Okay. And then to the bottom of this. This is going to be, try to be creative. Keep being creative. I find like a lot of the things that come out are all the same. So I really want to spend some time just being creative and being able to maybe add a different video concept onto YouTube in budgeting or something like that, or new to my channel. And for the Target Nicole, this one's for the Target Nicole. I'm so annoyed because I've had that channel. I'm annoyed with me and no one else. I've had that channel for years, and I let it lapse, and I got demonetized. Not that I was making any money per se, but I had the hours and everything. And then when they started this new 4K hours, I lost my status because I didn't upload a video in such a long time. And then I had the nerve to actually start uploading again. So all that being said, I need to get 4K watch hours on that channel. We'll see. Hopefully I can get them within the year before the hours start going away again. And start hopefully making some money to make it easier to get to that $100 each month, because I do want to, on that channel, I would like to do 1 to 2 videos a week on TGN's Target Nicole. I'd like to do 1 to 2. That's the goal. I actually would really love to save for a nice camera. I'm not thinking anything in like the thousands or anything like that, but maybe like a smaller flip view camera that's in like the $500 range. I would like to work on new intros and outros. Both channels, I believe. Not on such of a hurry over this, but I would like to do it because I want one that kind of has a, subscribe and the bell and all that first. So I don't have to say it, so I can just do my Grateful Gang vibes and get right into the video. I also think on TGN, I'm going to be adding more of my planner content on there. So if you're interested in like setups for my regular planner and things like that, that'll probably be over there. Definitely need to work more on the TGN thumbnails, because I feel like on more lifestyle channels, it's more of pictures that make a better thumbnail, and sometimes mine are nice, they're on Canva, but they're not like a picture of what the video is about. So I need to work on that. Update my description boxes for both channels. I want to make sure the new email is in there. I want to make sure they say what I'm all about. I actually want to stop that video from popping up every time people click on there. I think I'm done with that. Like, there's just a few things that I want to make sure all my social medias are added and things like that. And I left this one blank on purpose in order to, if I think of anything else that I really want to do. I think what I'm going to do is, as I go along and work on all these things, I will highlight them as I feel like I've gotten them done. So this is my mind map for 2024 on my YouTube channel, things I would like to get done, my goals for these channels. And I enjoy mind mapping now. I found out about that a couple months ago, and I really love it. I will be doing a mind map for the goals that I have set for the first quarter. I just have not gotten a chance to do it yet. And I do want to make sure I add some decluttering here. So this is the mind map. It's not going to look the same as the one I just showed you, because that one was already pre-printed in an old Gold Mine and Cocoa planner that I found, that I just made it into an A5 size. But I'm going to do the same thing for these goals for the year, just so I have an idea of how to get that done. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you all for commenting and being a part of the community over here and the budgeting community in general. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot say it enough. For all my people who have a YouTube channel or are planning to start a YouTube channel this year or next year, let me know what are some of your goals for your channel. Did you do a channel review or goals for your channel at all? I haven't really seen this kind of video yet. So this is one of my little creative ideas. I hope it is something you guys did want to see. But thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. It is faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Chess hands.